All right, guys, this is Flawless Basketball 15-16, random serial numbers, box number 7. 7 and 8 are both full, so this case right here will serve both of those breaks. We'll roll the die, choose the box for number 7 right now, randomize your numbers, and get ripping. Leftover box goes right after for number 8. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again for joining. We'll roll the die here. It'll be odd number we break the top box, even number we break the bottom box. CJ, get down. Son over there climbing on the counter. All right, odd number of the top box, even number of the bottom box. Nice stuff. Great. Stay here. Perfect. Good luck. This number is roll the dice. While I'll see how many times we hit the randomizer. Gonna hit the randomizer 6 times. Good luck. All right. Your name's first. Zuto on the bottom, 1 Jamaz on the top. 1. We're doing the bottom box, by the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Browning 51, number 1, and Zuto number 78. On to the numbers. All the 9s are on the bottom, all the 1s are on the top, starting with 1 of 1. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 6, 9 of 10 up top, 2 of 20 on the bottom. I did it again. Thought today might be the day. Well, I didn't really think about it. Definitely not the day. A format. Again. Every time I bump them in as the date the first time through. There you go. Let's do it alphabetical by your name. 1 Jim Oz down to Frankie Katz, the top 30. No more counting. 31 to 60, Frankie Katz to Randy B. CJ. Jeez, man. And 61 down to 78, Randy B to Zuto. Got a good look at what you got. All right. Again, we're doing the bottom box. The one that's running next ends in 8125. Banana. That's a banana, yeah. You bit the banana.
Yummy. Yummy banana.
Did you have to take the peel off, buddy? We don't eat bananas from outside.
Yucky.
Yeah, it was yucky, I bet. Come on, let's go. Uh-uh. Oh.
Daddy. No, Daddy. No, Daddy. What? No, Daddy. Daddy, tired. Oh.
Alrighty. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Got tape on both sides again. Got two full cases in a row where only one side of the briefcase is taped up. It's a nasty patch. That's nasty. That's a nasty. First up, we got Bradley Beal. 1 out of 3. It's going to be a random. We do not account for a card 1 out of 3 or anything numbered to 3. There you go. Everybody's got a chance at that one. We'll just hold it off to the end and randomize it amongst all your names. Nasty Bradley Beal patch. Everybody got a shot. Second card, Alec Burks. 12 out of 15. That is Mike SCCA. Highest possible serial number 25 of 25. Gordon Hayward auto patch. DNH Martin. Emerald Dikembe Mutombo. 2 out of 5. Unknown 409. Nice one there. Right, Steven. Hall of Fame inscription. The glove, Gary Payton. 8 out of 10. Yeah, it's J Rich 23. Autograph patch, DeMar DeRozan. Man, there's some good names in this mini box. 8 out of 25 for S. Murphy 25. And number 3 of 25, Larry Bird. And the Leah Tuvalabis. And this is the worst. Sorry, guys. Ugh. Let's go inside the briefcase. Finally. 17 out of 20, Danny Green, Diamond. Frankie Katz. Paul George, 9 out of 15. B. Loomis, the Sapphire. That's right. And Patrick Ewing, number 15 out of 15 for Randy B. Congratulations, Randy.
Did you cut that banana or did he?
I had to cut it because he was fighting through the outside of it. Congrats, Randy. Nice Patrick Ewing, 15 of 15. All right, guys. We're going to random off this Bradley Beal first, and then we're going to random off the briefcase. So hit your names 3 more times on the randomizer. Top spot gets Bradley Beal. Let's actually use a different one where you can see the numbers on the bottom. There you go. All right, 6. This is going to say 9 when we're done. For Bradley Beal, 1, 2, last one, 3. Frankie Katz gets Bradley Beal. There you go, 9 times. Frankie Katz. This random serial number, flawless killer. Now, 3 more times for the briefcase. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. B. Loomis gets the briefcase. All right, that's it, guys. We got the other half of this master case going next. Until next time, peace.